Hello everyone, this is TinyBin. In this video, I will show you how to import and install the products in DIM. I'm sure that you have installed many products in DIM, but I want TinyBin Daz Content Manager can also show these products. So how to do this? First, you should add DIM content path into TinyBin Daz Content Manager. Let's check the content path used in DIM and add this path into TinyBin. In Settings, Path, Add, Content IMC, Save, and switch to IM Import tab. Select the DIM content path and click Import and Sync Products. Let's wait for a few seconds. Okay, and close this window and switch content path to DIM content path. And in Install tab, these products will be shown. You can follow this procedure whenever you install or uninstall a product in DIM. For example, let's install a new product in DIM. This is a female figure for Genesis 9. And back to TinyBin, Settings, IM Import, Import and Sync Products. And you can see this woman. And uninstall this new product. Follow the same procedure. This woman will be disappeared. You may ask, can I uninstall the imported products in TinyBin Daz Content Manager? Well, I strongly recommend you uninstall the products where you install it. Which means if you install the product in DIM, uninstall these products in DIM. Thank you for watching. Please visit my Patreon to download the application and learn more about TinyBin Daz Content Manager.